ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಕ್ರಮವಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಟಿಪಿಪಿ ನಿಯಮ ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆಯು ಸಾಬೀತಾದರೆ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು ಎಂದು ಇಂಧನ ಸಚಿವ ಕೆಜೆ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯವು ಆರ್ಡಿಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಯೋಜನೆ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳದ ಕಾರಣ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ದರ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ಕಾಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ 10,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಬಾಕಿ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಪೂರ್ಣ ಹಣ ಪಾವತಿಸಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಖರೀದಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ will always put lot of allegations. They are in a disarray. You know what is happening in their party. They want to divert the attention of the public. That's what they are trying. See, what is the 900 crores is the cost of the other thing. And we are not adopted the RDSS at all. You know what is RDSS? It has come in 2021. As per the RDSS, they will give 15% subsidy for the thing. For that, get that 15%, we have to give them a writing. All the dues in our ESCOMs has to be cleared. Or else, they will take all the grants which are coming to state government, they will adjust. Even the BJP time it has come, they did not accept it. So why the thing they are blaming us?
Sir, let us leave the politics out of this. Sir, you said dues of ESCOMs need to be cleared. The question that arises is, why is the common man being burdened, sir? Would it not be easier to get your own government departments to clear the dues?
See, for your information, the ESCOMs burden is from the common man only. From the Panchayat Raj, is it for a common man? This our irrigation, our BWSSB, everybody has to give. They are also serving the common man only. The problem is here, we are giving second highest taxpayer Karnataka. We are giving about 4,20,000 rupees tax. We are only getting 60,000. They adopted the new formula, and on the population basis, they are distributing it. We don't say that don't distribute it for the backward states. But in the meantime, the tax-paying state also should be rewarded. If they would have given us, the poor people, common man, would have been protected by the state government. In spite of all this thing, our chief ministers and the government, we are giving 5 guarantees. About 60,000 we are giving to the common man. And the thing. That's why today we are getting more revenue, because the common man is financially, they have been strengthened. That's why we are getting more.
The cost of the meter is double than the other states, sir. You are charging more for the smart meter than compared to the other states, sir.
Lady is asking, you have to give some respect for lady.
Sir,
okay.
the question is, why aren't they being given an option? Why is this expensive meter being mandated and forced on the new connection?
This is not this is not expensive. This is not mandate for everybody.
For the new connection?
No, new connection only. We got 2 crores, 16 lakhs consumers. And today we are only asking the new connection people and the temporary people only adopt. That is the very minimum, the thing, compared to our population. That's why when new connection means they are spending a lot of money. Even for a small man also he has to spend money. For electricity connection they have to pay the thing for smart meter.
But why not give them the option, sir? That is the question.
No, options already, no.
Even for the new connection, sir, why is
See,
the expensive meter being mandated?
It won't work like that. When you are adopting a new strategy or new technology, option won't be there, because the AMI you have to provide everything to them. And this is for the consumer's benefit, only we are doing it. It's not for our benefit. Consumer, or the new, they will get benefit out. And the future, there's no need of they have to change the meter also.
So the cost of the meter is double than the prices of in other states.
See, now
why is the cost 900 meters there for the smart meter instead
900?
Is what the BJP at least alleged.
No, BJP. See, I'll tell you one thing.
Why is it 4,000, 5,000?
No, I want to ask you one thing. We already explained to you. We have taken the quote from the manufacturers. No manufacturer is quoted less than 5,000 rupees. All the things are there. And they are all reputed manufacturers. You know, in the grey market or the street side markets, somewhere say this is cheaper a smart meter. We cannot buy it. We have to take from the recognized and this reputed manufacturers that we already taken. We have taken all this in consideration. We have come to this price.